Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to learn the numbers 1 to 15. Let's use these colors: blue color, red color, orange color, green color. Let's start the video kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's revise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One teddy bear. 2 dolls. 3 balls. 4 rubber ducks. 5 buckets. 6 staking rings. 7 aeroplanes. 8 alarm clocks. 9 bags. 10 cupcakes. Okay kids, please like, share and subscribe.